All right, time to take a look at the Cor Cordium wood whittling kit. That's neat. So it actually comes with a starter set for carving. That's cool. All right, so we got some gloves. It says that these are cut level 5. So having some good anti-cut gloves is always a very good thing to have, just because it's going to help to reduce the amount of cuts that you get on your hand. You don't want to just be wearing these things and assume that you can start stabbing your hands, because you will regret it. So this is just for reducing damage. You still want to be careful, but this is going to help if you're going to do something that might graze across it. This will help to protect your hand from that. Okay, so we actually got a leather strop. That's interesting. We've got our detail blade. So this is good for getting little sharp angles. If you're going to be doing any kind of fine detail work, this is going to be what you want to use for that. It's a very nice feeling handle on it. Then we got our main carving blade, so anything that you're going to be taking like large chunks off with, you're going to be using this one for that. Then we got our scooping blade. So if you want to try to make a spoon or something like that, or a bowl, this is going to be the blade you use for that. Very cool. So always cut away from yourself if you can help it. Wow, that cuts extremely clean. That is almost too easy. That's like scary easy. Yeah, this is a fantastic set of knives. Like, you can actually do some work with this. Look at that. That is impressive how much I've already chopped off with just a couple of strokes. So if you got some ideas in your head and you want to put that into a physical object, this is going to be a fantastic kit for that. Let's go ahead and let's try our scoop. I've actually never used a scooping blade before. Yeah, that works surprisingly well. It's going to be a little bit of cleanup I got to do here on the end. I imagine there's going to be a technique that you're going to learn after you use this thing for a while, but sure does work. Maybe we can use this little detail blade, kind of clean that up. Yeah, cool. So these are some impressively sharp blades, and I know the wood that they're using with this is definitely going to be a soft style wood, so it's probably going to have different results if you try to go into like an oak or something like that. But even still, if you just want to put some wood into a shape, this is going to be a great kit to get started with that. Oh, didn't even notice. So this is a polishing compound. So this is for using the strop. So essentially this is kind of like your grit for your sandpaper, except for this is for polishing. So you just rub this under here, and then that will become the texture for polishing the blades. Definitely not that it needs it, because these things are already incredibly sharp. But yeah, overall, that is a very cool kit. I am very happy with that.